Oh, dear brother, my question is how to make your pious dream come true. Okay, so dreams. Firstly, define exactly what you want. Define. That's the first thing. Define. Okay. Second thing, once you've defined exactly what you want clearly, the second thing is urgency. Okay. Create a sense of urgency. The problem is a lot of us know what we want, but there's no urgency to get it. Oh, yeah, I'll do it tomorrow. But if you knew, may Allah protect them, that your family was going to die if you don't get this by tomorrow, the urgency is very different. So one is define, one is urgency, like create urgency, and the third is take action. Okay, take action. Action actually resolves all the things. If you just keep taking action, massive action, and you're persistent, eventually you'll get there, because persistence overcomes resistance, right? So like I said, define what you want, create the urgency, and take the action. What does this spell? D-U-A. So also the foundation of all of the definition, the urgency, and the action is you making dua. That's the underpinning of it all. So make dua, and of course, do all the kind of steps that I'm saying for you.